Hi everyone, this is the instructional video for showing students who are going to take their exams in the proctoring center on campus at Wilson Community College. This is to show you how to sign up for those exams. All right, so you go to the Wilson CC website, www.wilsoncc.edu. And then if you go to, there may be other ways, easier ways to do this, but I go to academics. And then I go to over, you see the bottom left of this, bottom right of the screen, I go to distance learning, and then I just scroll down until I see proctoring under Moodle, under getting help. Then you click on proctoring, all right, and then it's actually, you can read what it says for the procedures, but appointments must be made 48 hours in advance. Students that wish to test at another proctoring location should contact West Hill to make those arrangements. So there may be some of you that are, it would be quite a drive to have to come out here to Wilson Community College, but there are proctoring locations all over the state. So if you will contact West Hill, you can email him or call him. You will be able to make arrangements to take your exam at a different proctoring location. But those of you that are going to take it here on campus, remember the 48 hours in advance, and then you must present a valid photo ID. The Wilson Community College student ID is preferred prior to receiving access to your exam. You will be given 4 exams in the proctoring center. The final exam will actually be online on Moodle, and you can take that from home. But your first 4 exams you'll have to take in the proctoring center. Excuse me. So, sorry. It does say the cell phones, electronic devices, and personal items not approved for the exam must be left in the student's vehicle. So on your paper exams, all you're going to need is a pencil, and then a Scantron form will be provided for you. Most of your questions on your exams will be multiple choice or true false, and any questions that are short answer, you'll have room on your Scantron. So appointments will be canceled for any student arriving more than 15 minutes after the scheduled time without prior notice, and those appointments must be rescheduled. If the proctor observes cheating, plagiarism, or any violation of test integrity, they will note the violation and contact the instructor immediately, providing that contact information has been provided, which of course I provide them with my phone number. So, and you're expected to abide by the Wilson Community College Student Code of Conduct. So you'll click and accept there. And it also gives you the hours of operation, which are Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and closed on Friday. So you'll click to accept, and then you can book a proctoring exam. After you do that, you just click on Book Now. And then you'll select your course from the drop-down menu. And our course is not up here because my proctoring request hasn't been approved yet, but say if it was this course, you would click on it. Our course will say 2019 SU for summer, and then it'll say Bio 111, either NT1 or NT2, depending on which section you're in. So you'll click your course, and then you'll click on the date that you want to test, and you'll click Book It, and then you'll complete your user information and click Finalize Appointment. So you'll do all that from this. And hopefully that will help you to understand how to schedule